Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is mega bundle of t-shirt design apparel mockup for Photoshop. You can edit everything in Photoshop. That means these are editable files, but protected password in this app. I know for lifetime all password in this app. And here is my Facebook page, join me. And new thing is SK Shopping Hub. So you need subscription for download this as. Okay, and just click here and to download any file. Here is graphic templates and premium unlimited metadata and original international documents like a verification, license, or any other thing. Okay, here Android games app, skill code and UI design, WordPress themes, plugins, PHP scripts. Click on themes you can download. Okay, first you need membership. You can chat with AI. That means you can chat with artificial intelligence. Okay, total size of these folder 8.01 GB, but don't worry, I will compress in shorts or in 2 parts or 3 parts. Okay, basketball uniform mockup. Okay, and next is black t-shirt. You can change anything. Next, so t-shirt, and here is female t-shirt, alpha large PSD, female shorts, and same thing here. Simply you can add it in Photoshop like this one. Open and close it. You can change anything. Okay, designs here, design 1, 2, 3, and maintain color, shadow and lights, background depending on choice. When you select this color, then you can change background like this one. Same thing here. Man winter jacket, mock-up only. T-shirt here, mock-up. So join me on SK Shopping Hub for latest and unique data. Okay, but you need membership process. Take care. Allah Hafiz.